Creativity quotes that awaken imagination and act in new ways. Creativity involves breaking out of established patterns in order to look at things in a different way. Bono. Creativity is seeing what others see and thinking what no one else ever thought. Einstein. Creativity requires the courage to let go of certainties. Fromm. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou. You can't wait for inspiration, you have to go after it with a club. Jack London. Critical thinking and curiosity are the key to creativity. Amala Akineni. The difficulty lies not so much in developing new ideas as in escaping from old ones. John Maynard Keynes. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Anthony D'Angelo. There is no doubt that creativity is the most important human resource of all. Without creativity, there would be no progress, and we would be forever repeating the same patterns. Bono. Being creative means opening your mind to new thoughts and ideas and thinking in unlimited ways. Reem Sasson. Creativity is piercing the mundane to find the marvelous. Bill Moyers.